At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for a startup involves several steps. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with your state's naming requirements. Usually, the name must include LLC or similar suffixes. 2. Check availability. Ensure that the name you've chosen is not already taken by searching through your state's business entity database. 3. File articles of organization. This is the formal document you'll file with your state's Secretary of State office. It typically includes the LLC's name, address, purpose, members, and the registered agent's information. There might be a filing fee associated with this step. 4. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of the LLC. This can be you or another individual or service that meets your state's requirements. 5. Create an operating agreement. Though not always required by law, an operating agreement is highly recommended for LLCs. This document outlines ownership structure, member responsibilities, voting rights, and other important operational details. 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your business type and location, you may need to obtain permits or licenses to operate legally. Check with your local and state government offices to understand what's required. 7. File for an employer identification number. EIN. An EIN is like a social security number for your business and is required for tax purposes. You can obtain an EIN for free from the IRS. 8. Comply with tax requirements. LLCs offer flexibility in how they're taxed. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation. Consult with a tax professional to determine the best option for your startup. 9. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate by opening a dedicated business bank account. This is important for liability protection and accurate financial record keeping. 10. Understand ongoing compliance obligations. LLCs have ongoing compliance requirements such as annual reports, tax filings, and other regulatory obligations. Stay informed about what's required to maintain your LLC's good standing. 11. Consider consulting with professionals. While it's possible to set up an LLC on your own, seeking guidance from an attorney or accountant can ensure that you're meeting all legal and tax requirements effectively. Remember that the specific requirements for setting up an LLC can vary by state and industry, so it's essential to research the regulations that apply to your situation. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.